boot is that girl. She is so pretty and she knows her worth. So you should know your worth too, girl, and go cop you a pair. Hey NiqueNation, it's your girl Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name's Jonique, and I create fashion-related content, outfit inspo, and vlogs. So if that seems to interest you, hit the subscribe button down below. Right now, we are on the road to 800. I'm almost there, so help me reach to 1,000 by subscribing to my channel. You guys are gonna enjoy it, you're gonna love it, and welcome to the family. In today's video, I am going to be doing like a mini haul with some items that I got from Public Desire. I picked up some fall boots for this season. These boots are real sexy, real trendy, and I can't wait to show you guys. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, turn on your post notifications, and let's just get right into this review. Okay, y'all, let's get right into this unboxing. So this is the box that the boots come in. You can see the logo Public Desire, and you can shop at publicdesire.com. Once you open the box, the boots, it comes in like a cute little duster bag, which is really nice that you can store your shoes in. It is so pretty. It is leather, all black. I did get this in a size 10. Typically, I am a size 9.5, and I didn't know how close these boots were gonna run due to I have wide feet as well, and it has more of a narrow cut. And it turned out perfectly, so I can wear this with socks, which is a great option as well. I really love the detail at the top of the boot where it has like this little lock. If you don't know, this is a dupe to the Givenchy boot, or Givenchy, however you want to say it, and it is spot on. It's very affordable, way affordable compared to the actual designer heel. I really love how it has this very thick leather material, and inside it is very cozy as well. You have a lot of room. It has like a pointy toe, as you can see, and I love that the heel is very thick. That was very important because a lot of these type of shoes have thinner heels, and I can't necessarily walk in those, so that is a plus. Also, the detail right here with the lock, it is silver. I wish it was gold, but the silver isn't as noticeable, so you can wear it with your silver accessories, and you can wear it with your gold if you really want to pull it off. Now, this is what both of the boots are looking like. I took both of them out. I really love this style and this design, and you can style it with so many outfits. You can dress this up for sure and make it very edgy, or you can make it look simplistic as well, and I love that you have that option. I've been seeing a lot of girls style dresses with high boots, and like it would have to be kind of like a fitted dress, or it can be a loose dress and you can put it over it where it covers it, but I would rather show the whole boot instead of covering this flap and just getting the bottom of the heel. But other than that, this is a really cute boot. It comes in so many colors. They have black, they have a tan, you can get it in red, green. I've seen so many styles in this. So y'all, I love this so much, I had to get it in the tan color. Like, look at the tan. I feel like the tan is so beautiful, and this will go more with like your warmer tone colors, like your creams, your whites, some grays will look really good with this color. And it's just so luxurious, great quality as well, similar to the black one. I love the detailing, like I mentioned before, with the lock, and it is very comfortable as well. The heel is a lot thicker, and I can walk in this, and it doesn't hurt my feet. It's perfect for the fall. It's the perfect color palette. I would wear this with a cream dress, probably a cream jumpsuit with the boots, a nice jacket, a jeans jacket you can probably do. I actually did style this boot on my Instagram, so I will include that video as well, so you can have an idea of how to style something like this. In that video, I did style it with a cardigan, a bodysuit, some leather shorts, and brought it out with the black boots. Another thing that I wanted to mention that I love about this boot is that it is mid-length. I love that it's not too high, it's not too short, it's just the right size. It's not something that's gonna be baggy around your legs that you have to keep pulling up every 2 seconds. Based on my try-on video, it fits me perfectly. This boot is that girl. She is so pretty, so beautiful, and she knows her worth. So you should know your worth too, girl, and go cop you a pair. Compared to the Givenchy or Givenchy boots, which is retailed at thousands of dollars, this will be the perfect dupe, less than $100, which is amazing as well. And if you could catch them on a sale or for Black Friday, you can get this boot boot for a great price point. I would also like to mention, comment down below which boot do you like more. Are you feeling the black one or are you feeling the brown one? I feel like they both have their own individuality. One's more in your face, sexy, and one's more subtle, soft, and cute, but still holds a punch. I really think the black one is just a classic. You can do an all black number, but I think the brown one's really nice too if you want to go more on your creams, wear it with a sweater, wear it with some white pants, bring it out with a pop of color on those boots. So I'm kind of conflicted on which one is the best. If I had to choose personally, I like the black. I think black is beautiful. I would like to know what you guys think down below in the comments. Okay guys, that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this try on haul. If you're really feeling these boots, I would say run, not walk, to Public Desire and cop these boots. They are chic and they will definitely turn heads this fall season. But thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Jote Styles, on Pinterest at Jote Styles with 2 Z's. I will be doing a try on video and a how to style these boots, so stay tuned for that as well. I will put the links down below so you guys can cop these boots, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.